Hi everybody, thank you for watching. I'm sitting down to get ready for a little girls' night out with actually some neighbors of mine. And I'm gonna try some of the new products that I got from my last video. This Makeup by Mario foundation, I just feel like is a must for today. So let's give it a go. Hopefully the colors that I picked are comparable. So I did a little bit of a tan last night. I literally just did my upper body because I was that lazy. This is 17N. And again, when I was in the store, there wasn't many. I think that might be good. I might mix the both of them. 17N and 140. 140 is a little lighter, that might be better actually. There wasn't many colors left, so I just like made do with whatever I could find. So I'm gonna kind of mix the two together. Yeah, I think I'm more the lighter one right now. So when Mario did my makeup back in, I think it was like 2021. It was like right before my birthday. He was working on this foundation and he used it on me before it was ever out. So I'm so excited to try it on myself. I remember I was taking selfies after he left. We were together like 8 hours that day filming, and by the time he left it was so late and I knew I wasn't going anywhere, so I just sat and took these pictures of myself because it was just unreal how my skin looked. It was absolutely flawless. Let's see if it was just his hand or if the foundation was that good. I love how like dewy it looks. Look at that. I feel like I need to like clip up my hair because I feel like this foundation like looks wet. I mean, I guess it kind of is, right? It's liquid. So I don't know if I'm gonna risk wearing my hair down and straight like I have it, because when I went makeup shopping yesterday and I started sweating, by the time I got home, like I needed keratin, so like my roots are so curly that it was just like a mess. I don't know, either maybe a ponytail. I gotta figure out what I'm wearing and then I could decide. Whenever I do my neck, so I use this retinol cream on my neck and my neck is like peeling. Oops. Hi baby, joining mommy today? So I just wanted to do a little update. So when I had posted on my story and mentioned about a brand unfollowing me, they did reach out and say that it must have been a mistake and they apologized. So all is forgiven. I just wanted to mention that because you guys know me, I don't ever start drama. And I wasn't trying to start drama. I was just expressing how I felt, but I just wanted to let you guys know that they did say that it must have been a mistake. They don't know how it could have happened, so there's peace. So I feel like this is like the most luminous looking foundation I've ever used, but my skin is looking nice. So concealer. I'm gonna try the one size turn up the base concealer. Or should I do the Makeup Forever? This might be a little too light for me, and that's the darker one. When I tell you they didn't have anything in stock of, oh my God, what am I doing getting these really, really light concealers? Let's see. Wow, they're really light. All right, I'm gonna try the one size, even though it's called light too. And I'll just make it work, even though it's like extremely light for me. My neck is so itchy. I don't know if it's from the retinol or cats like lick my makeup brushes. I need to start putting them away. So as far as coverage for the foundation, it covers really beautifully. I want to do my like routine. I guess using all new products isn't the best idea. It's crazy because like on camera, I feel like I look crazy, but in real life it doesn't look as like dramatic. When Mario did my makeup, it was like such a surreal day. I had met him once or twice before. And when he came over, we just like bonded. It was just the best day. And I hate that I haven't seen him since because I feel like we really clicked. He's also a Libra. So we just like get each other. And I was just DMing with Patrick Starr yesterday because when I posted, he responded and I just love his soul. He's just the best and I really, really love him and I will support him forever. Oh, my neck is really itchy. So we are gonna get the brand new Laura Mercier translucent powder. Ooh. So I'm gonna make sure this is all blended out. I've always been like a matte foundation type of girl, but like in all honesty, with powder, even a luminous foundation is gonna look matte. So for me, it's all about coverage, and then I add like a little bit of like a glow towards the end. I really like how it's looking. We might have some new favorites. I was like really overwhelmed looking for foundation and concealers that I completely forgot that I wanted to get like bronzer. I really needed makeup wipes. I don't even like this brush. What else did I need? I needed like a lot of things and I didn't get it, so we'll just have to do another trip. Literally 60 degrees today. It's freaking unheard of for this time of year. So I was outside most of the day. It was freaking beautiful. And then my neighbor, we've had a few play dates with our boys. Our boys are only like 3 months apart, I believe, 2 months apart. She invited me out for a little girls' night for dinner and a drink or two. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go after I get Renzi down to sleep, which is like the best case scenario for me when I can go, when I get him down and then I get to go out afterwards. It's like he doesn't even know I'm gone. So now I'm gonna just apply that extra powder. Filling these brows. So I just got Botox a week ago. And I go like 2, maybe 3 times a year for it at this point. And I really wasn't due for like another month, but my mom wanted to go. So she was like, can you get us an appointment, we'll go together. And I was like, all right, like I'll just go a little bit early. It's not the end of the world. You know, it's always a fun day when it's Botox day. And when I went, I was like, just do less than you normally do because I'm not like 100% due and I don't want to be frozen. That's me raising my eyebrows. And it's only a week, so usually they say like 2 weeks for results. And I was like laughing earlier because I was like, I literally cannot even move my eyebrows, but oh well. I'm actually seeing the luminous come through even with the powder. Do you guys see that? I like that. Wow. Ooh, that's actually amazing. Huh. I don't think I've ever seen that in a foundation before. Like being able to like glow through the powder. Grab the Norvina collection. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I know I keep doing like boring looks, so let's do something a little fun today. Do a little pink. We're gonna grab E1. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna just see. I'm grabbing B3. Got back from a walk. I'm gonna do most of this and then I'll probably go give him dinner and then I'll come back and finish after I get him down. C5. And then I'm gonna take D1. So when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I kind of just like go and do like a rough estimate and then I'll go back in and darken when I like how it's looking. So I just grab B2, and just do that, like an E4 right in the crease. I really should do my eyes first. I'm gonna put a little extra powder so it doesn't, but I never do. I like doing my face first. Then we're gonna grab a little bit of this A2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, mommy. Oh my God, I love that. I'm gonna just put it everywhere. Talk about Valentine's Day. Girl stepping out of her comfort zone. makeup wipes. That was a close one. I thought I didn't have any left. Just gonna do a little lash on the end because it's a necessity. So yesterday I was doing my little Starbucks run in the morning with the dogs and Lorenzo. I love in the morning because we're up so early, like on the days that we're up like extra early, I'll take everybody in the car and we'll go and grab some Starbucks. So we were on our way and we were passing this street that was on like the main road, and there was a golden retriever that looked like lost. So I slowed down, but there was a car behind me, and by the time I was passing by, there was like a sidewalk next to the main road, but like I saw it in his face that he was lost and he didn't have a leash on, and I got nervous. So I drove up to the next street and I was like, this is like my duty that I have to like go back and make sure that this dog is okay. So I pulled down the next street, I turn around and I go back, and I pulled onto the street and I get out of my car and I go, come here, baby. And he came like running over to me and I was like, where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? And I was like looking around and he like rolled over onto his back and let me pet his belly. So I'm like thinking, I have my freaking baby and my 2 dogs in the car. Like, how am I gonna find this dog's owner? So I have like a million things racing through my head at this point. And all of a sudden a lady comes like running around the corner and she was like, whatever the dog's name was, like screamed his name, and I was like, is this your dog? And she was like, yes, oh my God, thank you. The dog went running to her and she was like, thank you so much. I don't know how she got out. Was just thanking me a million times. So I feel like this was all in the matter of like 5 minutes. So luckily we found her owner and everything was right in the world, but I was like so stressed out. I've never had that happen to me where I've seen like a dog on the side of the road before, so it was crazy. But I'm happy that she's home where she belongs. But it's funny because Benjamin and Candy were like looking out the window, like watching the entire thing happen. It was a very happy ending to what could have been a crazy story. We're gonna do a little more powder under the eyes and do some bottom mascara. So you guys proud of me that I did color on my eyes for once? I feel like this was for you guys. But I'm actually really loving how it looks. I feel like I haven't done like a crazy, this is crazy guys, I know, but like a colorful look in a little bit of time. I love like a thick under eye shadow. It just covers all those little wrinkles. I've had people ask me like, what do I do about the under eye wrinkles? And what I do is I do a thick bottom lash line. It's my little specialty. We're gonna do Luna. I don't know what lip color I want to wear yet because I have to see what I'm wearing. We're gonna wipe away that powder. And we're gonna do, I literally have no blush left from my palette. We're whipping out the original 27-year-old palette. This highlighter, guys, it's just too good. My bigger one's in my other room from my last TikTok. Make sure you guys are following me on there if you're not. Ooh, I'm like over Instagram. Let me do this setting spray. I'm obsessed with this setting spray. I'm also gonna use this one too, the makeup, the Patrick Star. We're gonna double it up today. I need more blush. All right, so hair, we're either gonna do like this. My straight part was straight. Maybe I'll do like that. Good luck, I'll be right back. Okay, I am running late, but this is what I'm wearing. I'll show you guys a full outfit if I get to finish my TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obsessed with all of the new products that I use. I really love how my makeup turned out. I'm in a rush, I gotta go. I'm getting picked up and she's here, so until next time, I'll see you guys later.